What's up, everybody? In today's video I am putting a clear bra on this Tesla Model Y. Stick around, I'm doing something a little extra to the bumper that you might find interesting, so stick around. just finished up. I got the hood and the front bumper done in Clearbra Xpel. Paint protection film. Got the emblem back on. Wrapped all the edges. Yeah, turned out really good. Just another Clearbra. I'm sure you've seen them before. You can't see that much on the camera, so it's pointless in trying to show you. The reason you get a Clearbra is to protect from paint chips. And this front bumper has a lot of paint, so that's why a lot of Teslas do it. Tesla owners, rather. It makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna add one more thing to this, so watch this. This is gonna be really cool. Alright, we're done. That was a fun. Alright, finished up that Tesla. Yeah, it came out really good. Customer was happy. That black part on the bottom looked really cool. What do you think? I think it looks like, makes it look a little bit more, I don't know, mean? Well, that's not the right word. Just looks cooler with the black. But yeah, I hadn't seen that before, so it was pretty cool to do that. Customer showed me a picture, so yeah, I'm gonna head out and go to my next install, which I'll be making a separate video for, so subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, see you in the next one.